Ever wanted your Excel dashboards to be at least as professional as an actual website? In this video, I'm going to share how to create in Excel a clean, clickable, horizontal navigation menu that will enable you with one click to jump across the worksheets. No VBA or coding skills, just smart design using shapes, hyperlinks, and some formatting magic. First, choose where you want your navigation menu to appear. I'll use the top row of my dashboard sheet. When your data is ready, enlarge the first line following the rectangle you need to insert. Navigate to the Insert tab. Click and select Shapes and choose the rectangle shape. Draw the shape, resize the shape as needed, its corners. Go to Shape Fill and change the shape's color. Remove Outline from Shape Outline. Go to the Insert tab, click and select Shapes and choose the rounded corner shape. Draw, adjust the position, and customize it as needed. Go to Shape Fill and select the color of your choice. For the shape effect, go to Shape Effect and pick a form that complements your shape and customize it as needed. Now hold Ctrl and drag the shape to duplicate it. Continue duplicating the shapes by holding the Ctrl key and dragging with the mouse. Enter your sheet names like Inventory, Incomes, Balance. Select all shapes and rectangle by holding the Ctrl key. Go to the Format tab. Click on a line, then select Distribute Horizontally. Click on a line again and select Distribute Vertically. Notice how the shapes are properly aligned. Select the first shape, Snapshot, and press Ctrl+K or click right to link it to the snapshot sheet, then click OK. Select the second shape, press Ctrl+K, and choose the sheet to link it on, Inventory Sheet, and click OK. Repeat the process for the rest of the shapes, linking each one to its corresponding names. Select the range of columns containing the shapes and data. Press Ctrl+C to copy, navigate to the Inventory sheet, and press Ctrl+V to paste. Repeat the pasting process for the remaining sheets by pressing Ctrl+V in each sheet. Continue adjusting your menu as needed. And that's it! You've just created a professional horizontal navigation menu in Excel. Simple, clean, and totally clickable. Now you've got a professional horizontal navigation bar that makes your Excel dashboards look next level. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more quick Excel tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.